my name is Inge Sieben and I'm a colleague of Tim van Meurs. In the E-NextGen tool, next to the maps, you can also create other visuals. Depending on the number of items that you select, you can create an opinion line, a scatter plot, or a radar. The E-NextGen tool is meant for different target groups, for example, policymakers, journalists, teachers, educators, pupils, or the general public. In the future, we will make more functionalities available. For example, a positioning tool in which you can answer questions yourself and then find out where you are compared to other people in Europe. Stay tuned.